So you got this coop for the baby chicken, right?
Yes, we bought it the week that we lost the babies. Well, we just need to have somewhere we can stick them. It's safe.
Yes.
Please wear gloves while assembling.
And where did you get this one from? Farm yard. Right.
Okay, assembly notes. When assembling, use a washer on both the head side of the bolt and the nut side. Alright, so 1, assemble the steel sheeted door.
Yep.
That's the door.
That's the door, yep. Yeah, so I think I'll hold the door in one of the side pieces and you screw them in. Yeah, so assemble the 2 steel wall panels of the door using the M6x50 bolts / lock nuts / washer.
Righto, so we're going to go through here, to there. Alright, so let's put the other side on and then we'll put the bottom on.
Yep.
A little bit more stick, so 2 up. Hold it steady now. Now we just put one on the bottom and one on the side.
Yep.
Right, okay, so now what's next?
So it says snugly tighten these 4 bolts at this stage.
Good, excellent.
Okay. Assemble the mezzanine floor.
That's the top. So in that case, this would go on this rung.
Yep.
Oh wait.
Oh wait, yeah, that way. Is that right?
Well, it can't really be right because that's there and that's only this far there.
Oh, hang on.
Those are big squares.
But yes, from that picture at the front, it looks like these are this here.
No, that's not.
No, that's not it. Oh. Yeah, that'll be it, surely.
So those, you're right, those are the front sides. Then this must be the mezzanine
That
floor. Okay, great.
So we've put together the door and the 2 walls and the mezzanine floor so far.
Oh yes, right. So it's, it is right for the wheel.
Oh, yeah. So assemble the wheel arm. That one?
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So, order again. It's the bolt.
First thing is bolt.
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to be the rocker. And then the wheel.
Wheel arm.
20 minutes later.
The most tedious part of this process by far has been putting these wheels on.
Yeah. Okay, what's next?
Next is the roof. It says the holes only fit in one direction. So just keep turning it until the holes line up. Alright, as you can see, we've got the roof done now, and Dad's just in there attaching the 2 roof pieces together. And then we've got the gate to go on the front. So I'm just about to put the handles together. And then we'll attach that on. And then we are going to finish that for the day. And we'll do the floor another day. Alright, we finally finished the top of the coop. So this will be the new nursery for the baby chicks. So we're very proud of ourselves for getting that done. It's going to be a surprise for Mum when she gets home.
Alright, it is time to do the ratings. We're going to start with the instructions. We found the instructions for this coop were comprehensive while also being easy to read and follow. We'd give the instructions a 9 out of 10. For us, it took approximately 2 hours to put together, which was quicker than expected when you first open it up and look at it. You potentially could put it together by yourself, but it would be considerably easier with a second person, we think. But we would give the time a 10 out of 10. For the quality, the pieces and the overall product is exceptional. The kit came with everything you required to put it together. It really feels sturdy and looks great. My only criticism would be that the roosting area looks slightly small once it's all put together, but overall we'd give it a 9 out of 10. We're really glad that we went with the Farm and Yard mobile coop. There were a lot of options available out there and plenty like this that you could get for cheaper, but I think with the ease of comprehending the instructions and the quality of the actual product, it's well worth the money. So we would give the value a 9 out of 10. Overall, this is a really great product. We had a fun time putting it together. It was overwhelming when we first pulled everything out of the box, and we would certainly recommend pulling all of the pieces out and working out what they are before you start. That would have saved us a fair bit of time as well. And the chickens love it, and it's really secure for the babies, which was the main thing that we wanted.
Hamilton Acres Farm. No filter, just farm.